The php.ini file is your website's main PHP configuration file. It allows you to adjust website performance, improve security, enable or disable features, and troubleshoot issues by controlling how PHP scripts are processed. Without it, PHP would run using default settings, which may not be suitable for all environments or applications. To access the relevant php.ini file in your Stellar business account, first, you'll need to find the current PHP version your site is running. You can check this using the PHP Tweaks menu in just a few clicks. After entering the menu, navigate to the Select Domain list and choose the domain name you need. After that, scroll down the page and look at the PHP version column on the left and check which PHP version you're using. In our case, it is set to PHP 8.2. For more details on working with the PHP Tweaks menu, refer to the guide below this video. Next, navigate to the Search Tools box at the top of the page and type File Manager. Enable the Show Hidden Files, .files option in Settings. Once it's enabled, you'll see .systemphp appear in the list on the left. Click the plus sign next to that to reveal a drop-down list showing the files inside the folder. Then, open the ini drop-down too. Scroll down the folder list and select the one that corresponds to the PHP version of your domain. Finally, open the folder that has the name of your website. Here, you'll find the php.ini file. To open it, right-click and select Edit from the menu. From here, you can increase the memory limit, adjust the maximum file size limit for uploading, and manage PHP extensions. When you finish editing the file, click the Save Changes button. You have successfully edited the php.ini file. If your site is WordPress-based, we recommend clearing the cache files via Lightspeed Web Cache Manager. We've linked to the guide on how to do this under the video. Thank you for watching. Do not hesitate to post your questions. Also, check out our knowledge base at Namecheap.com for more tips and support.